Hey guys, I hope all of you are fine and doing well. In this video, I'm going to share a very beautiful, classic, and easy trendy design ideas of hand embroidered shirts, kurti, kameez, and any type of tops that you can pair up along with your bottom, jeans, trousers, plazos, capri, and any type of pants. So before going into the further details, I have a simple request to you that if you are new to my channel, if you haven't subscribed my channel, or you are watching my video for the very first time, then please don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment below the video that which design you like the most and why. Now, guys, let's move towards the main concern, which is which type of hand embroidery ideas are these? So, a massive collection of bot neck, round neck embroidery ideas, along with very beautiful floral combination of threads with simple, easy, and basic beginner friendly hand embroidery stitches is here. And onto your screens, you are viewing the beautiful different patterns of designs. So, you can make them onto your summer dresses, summer shirts, organic linen, blended cotton, fabric shirts, some different type of stylized patterns of neckline embroidery, along with simple and easy beginner friendly stitches like twisted knot flowers, and you can decorate them and beautify them and give them a formal look with the usage of pearls, beads, and even you can make use of sequins. And I hope you are liking the designs. Today's video collection is a different combination of bright medium tone colors and very funky and attractive colors that could be easily worn in summers. So some light color dresses like white, off-white and beige designs are also being shown in the whole collection of designs. So I hope that you like the ideas, concepts and beauty and creativity of these designs. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Thank you so much for watching the video, and subscribers are very important. You can subscribe on a number of other devices as well. Stay tuned for the new and latest upcoming videos. Until then, take care.